How amazing is that? Well, anyway, welcome to the elephant sanctuary. Guess what I forgot? The reason I'm wearing this is because the elephants recognise it apparently. We're all wearing them. I'm not a randomer, but look at these elephants here. Got up nice and early this morning, 6 a.m. Got here, picked up about 6:30, ready to get here nice and bloody early. It's a lot cooler, but I am tired. I need a towel. I haven't got a bloody towel, have I? I've left it at the hotel. I don't know if I trust these stray dogs, you know. There's things here. I need a magnet for my nan as well. I'll find one. I'll find one.
Okay. Yeah, different. Okay. Different. Long life similar. 70, 80. Oh, long life. 70, 80. 2 year pregnant. 2 year pregnant. You know, 2 year pregnant. Yeah. Embarazada. Embarazada. 2 year. 2 year. Right? No money, no girlfriend. Elephant, no money, no friend. Yeah, no food, no friend. Same, okay?
And away we go. Oh. There you go. I like this one. He's saving it, look. Stop saving it, you mad head.
Everybody, you want a camera? Keep your phone on here, okay? Cameraman.
There you go. Good boy. He's just said that elephant there is the grandma. She's 60 years of age apparently. The baby's down there, look, as you can see, just make out there. 16. Oh, I've made that up. They're bloody charming. Them bananas are random. Have you seen these? I can't help but feel that's what they're supposed to look like though. This is camp number 4. He says there's sanctuary number 4. He says there's 20 altogether. They don't keep the elephants together because they always scrap. But I'll show you the elephants anyway rather than my ugly grid. They're stunning, aren't they? Their feet. These bananas are weird. I don't think I fed that one yet, have I? Yeah. Yeah, there's the old one, 60. There's the one that keeps spraying mud. There's the little baby. Absolutely stunning. Let's see if there's any more bananas. Like I said, I forgot my towel. I literally had one thing to do. It's like, pack your swimming trunks, because we go down there in a minute, into the lagoon. Oh, I hope it's not that. And I'm hoping it's that one, to be fair, because that's a lot more vile. Anyway, he's talking now, but he says you can use this as a towel. That's all I was trying to tell you. My life, my admin.
Go behind, okay?
Look at that ass. Did you hear that predator noise then? Well, no, so they said, I'll let everyone else have their little go first. They've said do not stand behind them because they kick you like horses apparently. And I don't know about you, but I would not be wanting to take one of them to the forehead. Oh, and what did I nearly do then? I literally just nearly walked behind one. Let's get some photos of this bad boy. Beautiful. They are weird though. Touch this bad boy, look. Oh. It's got an itch. His big old ears flapping there. Tell you what, a lot more rough than you think. Strong as well. You can barely move the skin. You know how if you know, shoved you can move your skin around. Well, I hope everyone else can anyway. But that's not a thing here. Well, literally, it's not. They're like 20% of our elasticity, I'd say. That's what they've got. So there's a little bit, but nowhere near as much as ours. It's just weird, that's what I'm saying. But beautiful, this is stunning. This is a bucket list, this is a highlight of a life, this. Like. Hello, you. Look at her. She's going to stroke another one. It's a bit wary. I mean, look at the height difference. Look at that. That's bizarre, that.
Spiders walk slowly. Very cool.
What is it? That is huge. You lunatic.
Is it scary?
Yeah, terrified.
The spider?
Yeah, big one there. See it?
Drinking milk. One day.
Hello. Hello. This is definitely a highlight of my life. Look at that. Little baby elephant. drinking the world's most dirtiest water. They said here they've got 102 elephants in all of the 20 sanctuaries. Yummy. 102 elephants in the 20 sanctuaries. That's not bad, is it? That stinks, man. Oh, he's had a curly whirly. Oh my god. I was going to say, what's wrong with your piss? There you have it, break time now. So this cost 1,900, I think, which is just under 40 quid. It comes with coffee, water and lunch. And you can add your little dietary requirements as well. Obviously, I don't eat meat, if you didn't know, so it was no problem. That's what I'm saying. So if that's something you need to worry about, i.e. food, diets, whatever, they sort all that out for less than 40 quid. This is stunning. I'm gonna get a coffee now. And then you'll have something like this. It just ruins it a little bit, but it's not the guys here fault. They're doing a fantastic job saving these elephants. But that's the toilets and stuff like that. You know, as you can see, we literally are in the middle of nowhere. You can't see much that way, but we are. It took us a good hour and 20. What I've started noticing around here, Thailand, I mean, is the birds. Like, the birds are so beautiful. All the random ones. I thought I saw a macaw earlier on, like a proper in the wild macaw, which I've never seen. I've seen others, but not that one. My favourite is the blue and yellow one. That's my favourite, and it's half the price. Did you know that?
Okay? Yes. When you feed them, everybody please feed to every elephant. Share to every elephant. Okay? Yes. One elephant we give them like a 4 or 5 dollars for one elephant. Okay? Inside, no parasite. And then with milk. Yeah? Come. You want to try? Everybody, never try, never know. Hell. Not try, no.
We've just made these things. Well, I say we did. I did. With my little bloody whatever it was. Now we're feeding the elephants again with this. Bamboo leaves, rice, some fruit and some other stuff. It is a bit horrible, to be fair. There we go, we're giving them the same. Come on then, come and get me, don't leave me hanging. I made them. Come here then.
One more, grandma, yeah? Not forget the grandma. Oh, yummy. You cookie, yummy. Everybody, grandma, yeah? Feed the grandma.
Feed the grandma.
No one feed the grandma.
I once fed the grandma, the 60-year-old. I'm coming, grandma. Go on then. There you go. I was past him that like a moron. You might have gone to West Midlands Safari Park. Then they're just all flocking here, look. So this is a bucket list thing. Do you know what I mean? I've seen some buffalo or something walking around. We're getting more details here, so I'll listen to what this guy has to say. But more, I've seen buffaloes and stuff earlier on. Looks like we're going for a swim, look.
This time, no food, okay? Because elephants, they are naked.
No photos because the elephants are naked. Look how bloody white I am compared to everyone else. You love it, don't you? I'm haunting this whole bloody rescue park. Apparently we're getting these little buckets here while he's holding on his head and just fanning them down like your man's doing over there. This is amazing, like, truly amazing. I'm getting the people. Right, let me go. This water's cold, like. Right, let's go and have a look at these little bad boys. Look at the little one there. And there he goes. Hello. We're in the mud now, look. Saying no bloody flip-flops, which I wasn't going to go in there with flip-flops, to be fair, but everyone else did. But I was going to go in the mud now. I don't want to risk taking my camera in, because this is a DJI camera, i.e. it's not waterproof, and someone's found it funny to splash me. So I want to save my camera, because it cost me quite a lot of money. It's not the best, but it's mine. But yeah, I'm going to go mud swimming or mud bathing with elephants now. You love that, don't you?
Papa gaat de olifant iets meer met mop.
Ja, weet je.
Oké.
Nou, moet dit even leuren. En niet. Maar kun je met die paai. Maar wie dan maar. Kun je met je weer.
Why is it only cute to piss, poo, burp when you're a baby, like that elephant there, roll over, like make bubbles with your bum cheeks in the water? When you're an adult, those things are frowned upon. These are amazing. I'm going to get in there now.
Tidara, baru, Tidara.
Tidara to you, right? Tidara.
To me, no, to the elephant. Bara protection.
Look at her.
Tidara. Mucho baru. Elefante, amon, baru.
Yeah, I'm really loving this, you know. Really. This is like an achievement, just like skydiving. Just like I said yesterday, it's a proper bucket list thing, this. Just like skydiving, just like bloody scuba diving and whatnot, the other bloody lifetime achievement things. This is up there, like, honestly. Look at these. Oh, I'm walking behind one, that's week one, day one stuff. Don't walk behind them now. Let's be honest, it's not bad for 40 quid at all. I didn't get in the mud in the end, because I thought, can't be bothered, to be fair, everyone's all clayey and that. Probably would have been cool, but yeah, you know, actually nah, it's not. I don't regret it. We don't regret, do we? We keep pushing on, we keep plodding on. It's coming to the end already. It's about 11 o'clock now, we've got about 20 minutes left. 40 quid, wow worth it this. Wow worth it. When you see like I'll tell you in a second actually when there's not a lot of people here. When you see, like, being from the Western world, you've seen hippies before, haven't you? Like the chilled ones, and you know, the most common thing you think of is like American dudes, don't you? Like, dude, or where's my car kind of people. Stoners. Wait until you see, genuinely, an Asian version of that, a Thai version of that. They are mad. There's this one cafe I go to on the evenings. There's this bloke there, and I'm not joking. He looks how you would draw a PlayStation character. That's what he looks like, and his mannerisms and all that sort of stuff is just. You can only tolerate him in super small doses. I mean, he's got to be 17, 18, but he looks about 8. And he's a bit wild, like, but he just starts singing randomly in the middle of the thing. He's like a hippie, but an Asian version. Not a dig, just a observation. I've just never seen one before. He's just, but he was more extreme than anyone I've ever seen. That's what I'm saying. Finished off with a lovely little meal, look. Courtesy of the elephant sanctuary. This is well worth 40 quid, you know. Well, it's like 38, I think. Just got back from the elephant sanctuary. Just got out of my taxi, look, and I'm struggling to put my bloody money away again. I'm trying to get used to this little bum bag thing. I always joked and took the mick out of people who had these, but you need them in Thailand. It's just too hot. Let's be honest, it's just too hot. Anyway, I've brought you to another place. Now this place is called, I can't remember, but wait till you see this. Look at that bloody beautiful statue up there. It's got these two little bad boys, look. Online, this temple of that, again I want to be respectful, it's very, very religious like. This temple of that, oh, where do I go here? I'm waiting for a cable car, aren't I? This temple of that, online on booking.com, this temple's 1,800 baht, right, which is the best part of 40 quid. Just a little bit cheaper than my elephant sanctuary this morning. At the gate, see if it says the price on here. See that one? So it's like 1,800 on booking.com, or if you come straight to this place, it was 50, including the cable car. And if the Thai are using the cable car, that's saying something. Look at this.
It keeps tripping me out because I'm like, wait a second, that's a California native. Like, what's it doing here?
I'm literally following the little monks. Well, why not? They know where they're going. I don't know where I'm supposed to go in. Oh, wow. Then you got this place, look. That's a nice building as well. That's really bloody nice, actually. Right, I want to go in this temple now. It's not a temple. It's the bloody entrance. I've had to put my scam sale I got the other day. I've had to put them back on. Let's continue. Beautiful, isn't it? There's a little temple thing in here. I'll show you in here. That was good. I'm out now. That was really good. I really respect people who are religious. You know, like if they live by what they say. Because more often than not, they're nice people, aren't they? But yeah, I love that. That's even more bizarre. Like, I've never been told off. For example, I've never been like a stick waved at and someone went shh, because I went to walk past. I didn't realise it must be a certain time. It must be like 8 o'clock or something. There's all starting to pray at the Buddha. I'm guessing, but I think it's Buddha. Not 100%, but I think it is, but I'm 98%. I mean, look at that as well. And I went to walk in front of it whilst they were praying, but it was all like a routine, like a parade sort of thing, and I've never seen this before. And he was like, tsk, and then waved his stick at me. I walked in another one, the bit where it says you had to take your shoes off. And you have to sit down. No, you have to sit down. And I didn't sit down straight away, so I was looking for a spot. And I was getting stared at by the monk. You can tell they don't mess around. I mean, look at the kids. Not one of them, like as in the kid monks, not one of them had a cigarette. Not one of them was going, "Got the time, bruv." It's good. What I'm doing now, as I've came out, I'm going to go for a little venture out and about, just down here, because there seems to be a little village, and I want to see as much as I can. Go there, and then there's a reservoir to walk around. However, I don't know how appealing it's going to be right now because of the, you know, I don't know what we're going to see, but not a lot by the looks of things. Anyway. Let's go and check out this little village town thing. Look, this is what I would have had to climb up if I nearly fell down the first bloody step then, if I didn't get that cable cart. That's quite bloody extreme, isn't it? See that little crow? What's that? What is it with this place and some bloody half bat, half eagle things going on. I'm going to walk down. This is going to be fun. There's a lot more fun on the way down, isn't it? That thing is huge, look. Oh, who's that? Has his brother got a wife, has he? Well, if he has, there she is. I've read a book about him before. I'm sure it was him. I can't remember. I'll get my story straight and get back to you. I need to get some cash out. There's a group of kids there, look, playing chess. Oh no, they're all on the phones. Oh, and I thought I was all playing chess. I thought that was cool. They're all on the bloody phones. So it's the same everywhere. There's not a lot going on here, so I might just order that taxi to take me to the reservoir. The guy said I was with earlier on said that it's absolutely beautiful, so I do want to give it a little go because, as you can see, there's not too much going on. Yeah, I'll check in with you at the next place, the reservoir. As always, it's a bloody problem, isn't there? I'm so far in the sticks, no taxi will pick me up, no bikes either, so I found this, thank God, because the app isn't working up here. It just keeps saying sorry, no drivers. So problem solved. Look at this cool thing. Bit random. There you go, look, this is the reservoir. As expected, I thought there's not much to see because the lack of light. But yeah, I thought I'd show you anyway. It says it's spectacular. I was trying to make out if there's any sort of temple thing going on over there, but it's a mast. There are people dotted around now, so it must be a popular spot. Oh, it's a travel day again, isn't it? I'm not 100% where I'm going, I haven't checked yet. I just walk down to this bend and then walk back. Yeah, I haven't checked where I'm going. Could be Phuket, could be Krabi, could be PP. Don't know yet, but that just adds to the fun, doesn't it? But yeah, I hope you've enjoyed this bloody episode 5. We've done the elephants today, the temples. Off camera I've walked around and this and that, the other, and it's been it genuinely has been a really good day. Like, I've really enjoyed it. Look at these trees, look. It's all interconnecting bloody elephants like off Jungle Book. I've just found this other place. I just came from up there, said my goodbyes to the camera, and I found this other place. That's the thing, like Thailand, genuinely. I know I've only been here 5 days, but genuinely, it's breathtaking. Like, it honestly is. Everything about it, like, you know, just random elephants carved into random bushes. Like, that's probably not the right bush to use, but I'm not a gardener. Because that does look quite crap, and they wouldn't cut corners, so they're using the wrong bush there. They need to speak to, what's his name, Alan Titchmarsh. What was I saying? They don't cut corners. Everything about Thailand is beautiful, like, there really is, but none of the places do. All the countries I've been to have been spectacular. They've all got their own little gems, like the Portuguese and the people, like, they go above and beyond. Like the French, it's the food. Sometimes, not all the time, the worst pizza I've ever had, unless it's from the vending machine thing in France. Spain, oh my god. The best thing about that place is the same thing Snoop Dogg does. Oh, and then you've got, you know, like all the other places. They've all got their own perks, that's what I'm saying. But what I am saying on top of that, Thailand has got not just one of them perks to make it good, to make it memorable, enjoyable, whatever. It's not just got the food, it's not just got the nice people, it's not just got the nice buildings. It's got all of them. The only thing wrong with this place, and it's not wrong, it's the heat. That's it. Apart from that, I'm early on in my journey. I'm only 5 days into Thailand, but from my little novice standpoint, if you like, what I can't recommend this place enough. Like, genuinely, it is hot though. I hope you've enjoyed this episode. Now I'll say goodbye for real. Take care now. Bye bye then.